kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel ane hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kocongki. Ke emission kelap le bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Hakasngi baka perthai berok away. Karaki yang sni pendek mariang lani ka World Environment Day ka Khasi Students Union lumoba unit ru kalaraki yang ni kasngi haringkat ka jing simbantalang jongki kena school next school baper ki badan lumoba. Ki school ki bay simbantalang ki kentom ya ka Shanroy Basan Higher Secondary School ka Shersbot Higher Secondary School bat ka lumoba LP School. Haka baka ki SU layo ru ban pelong ya ki program baper kum ka exhibition program. Awareness poster competition, drawing and coloring competition, baka awareness na wanta kakhoy ke suba. Hakan ka sngi General Secretary ka KSU Opos Long Circle, lalong kum kongsan, paurang baas nang kalong mo ba, uba Everest thank you, lalong kum usumbut kongsan. Lawan man siya mantalang ru, na kinongkit kam kas nang lumo ba, kaseng samla, bat kinong song.
Di bayo ba po ako ka poster awareness competition nila ayo day pantip marpanyan. Napo ka Shanroy Basan Secondary School so bahay ng sim yung ka prize ka Jopi ya di Jopi betagin yo sa inong job ipaningkong apo ka poster option o ka classics layo di Erickson Carcier na po ka Shanroy Basan Secondary School. Kubaan yung kakti. So ka poster, awareness kayo, bajot yung ka poster. Di bajot pa layo di Eric Zion Jerwa na po ka Chersbot School, Chersbot Higher Secondary School. Kubaan yung kakti na bita Eric Zion Jerwa. Layo po kong hapo kani ka competition layo di Amuti Sumar Sinrem na po Shanroy Basan Secondary School na po ka class 7.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.